Hey folks, Jason here with another quick music theory tip. This video is all about planing. Now, planing essentially refers to parallel movement of chords. Classical music theorists will often organize planing into two categories: diatonic planing, where the chords are determined by the key center, and chromatic planing, which occurs when we create chord movement based on the quality or shape of the chord rather than the chord's connection to a key center. A good example of this is to take a quality of a chord, let's say a major seventh chord, and move it around to different pitches without any reference to a specific key center. For example, I might start with an E major 7 chord and then move to a G major 7. Neither of these chords are in the same key. The chord tones of the E major 7 exist in keys like E major and B major. By contrast, the chord tones of the G major 7 exist in keys like G major and D major. Now, while both these chords exist in two different keys, we still hear a smooth sonic transition from one chord to the next because they are the same shape of a major seventh chord. Now, outside of classical music theory, most musicians refer to chromatic planing simply as planing. An example of a genre that makes use of this approach is neo-soul, where it is very common to hear minor seventh chords planing, for example, C minor 7 to E flat minor 7, major seventh chords planing, for example, G flat major 7 to D major 7, or sixth chords planing, for example, A6 to F6 to D6.